Good morning. Myself, Mohammad Rehan Sharjil Sheikh, and I'm going to speak about the organization and strategy. This is a group project, and we are all here to combine to discuss this project. And I'm going to discuss few topics, and rest of them will be covered by my colleagues. And the topics which are covered by me is I'm going to tell about the information about the Amazon company and the formal and informal communication about the company. And the rest will be discussed by my colleagues, and here they can take over.
Hello. Hello, Professor Christian Lombardo. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, Rehan. Today, I'm going to talk about the important values to the organization and physical environment support, teamwork, and collaboration. These two topics I'm going to cover. I'm going to Rikit Reddy. Can you please talk what topics are going to talk about?
Hi, Professor. My name is Sai Rikit Reddy. Today, my topics are the organization, evidence of status, and power differentiations. I'm going to talk about today. There are my topics, and now my colleague Arvind will introduce himself.
Yeah. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Arvind Srinivekar. Today I'm going to explain about the Amazon workplace to say about whether it is a formal or informal workplace, and also I'm going to explain about the formal elements and informal elements of the Amazon. Thank you.
Thank you, colleagues, for sharing your names. And I'm going to share the slide now, and we're going to do on this by the slides. And we have introduced ourselves, and we have introduced our lecturer and our college is St. Francis and our group. And I'm going to say about the company Amazon. So Amazon is a global technology and economical company that have revolutionized the way we shop and consume media. The company has made significant stride in the tech industry, including cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. In this article, we will explain Amazon workplace culture and where is formal and informal. So the next slide is formal and informal communication. The workplace communication can vary between formal and informal depending on the contents and a situation. Generally, workplace communication is more formal when it involves official matter, such as company policies, produce content or legal matter. This type of communication is usually documented and followed a specific structure, format, and language to convey the message clearly and precisely. On the other hand, workplace communication can also be informed within a socialized network and building resolutions. The type of communication is less structured and followed a more casual tone and language. Inform, Informal communication can occur in various forms, such as a water cold conversation, emails, instant messages, or social media. And the rest will be covered by my colleagues. So I'm going to pass this to Arvind. So, Arvind, you can start.
Yeah, as I said earlier, I'm going to explain about the formal and informal elements of the Amazon. In my opinion, Amazon is a hybrid company where it accepts the formal and informal elements. For example, if you take two persons like a manager and an employee, the manager goes to the office in a formal suits, and the employee goes to the office in the informal suits. So, in my opinion, Amazon accepts both the employees. So here I'm going to speak about some of the cultures in Amazon. Amazon also encourages a culture of innovation, risk taking, and experimentation, which is indicative of an informal work environment. The company's philosophy, often referred to as Day One, emphasizes the importance of treating every day as if it was the first day of the company's operations. This approach encourages employees to think outside the box and challenge the status quo. Amazon workplace culture is best described as a mix of formal and informal elements. The company places great importance and the company places a great importance on matrices and data-driven decision making, creating a structured and formal work environment. The company has a dress code that requires business casual attire and employees are expected to adhere to strict codes of conduct and professionalism. So my colleague is going to explain about the staff organization here.
Now I'm going to talk about the staff organization. Amazon as an organizational structure with a clear levels of management and job roles. The company has diverse workforce that includes full-time and part-time employees, contractors, and seasonal workers. Amazon is known for its rigorous hiring process, which is designed to mine the best talent. Amazon's management structure is based on a pyramid model with the CEO at the top, followed by the senior executives, middle managers, and front line workers. The company uses a combination of self-managed teams and traditional financial structures to manage its operations. Evidence of status power differentials. Amazon data driven approach to decision making can also create a competitive work environment. Employees are often evaluated based on their performance metrics, which can create a focus on individual performance rather than teamwork and collaboration. Amazon performance based culture can create a status and power differentials within the organization. Top performing employees are often rewarded with more opportunities and rewards than their peers, which can create an informal engagement within the organization. This can make it challenging for the lower level employees to feel empowered and motivated. Amazon's data driven approach to decision making can also create a competitive work environment. Employees are often evaluated based on their performance metrics, which can create a focus on individual performance rather than teamwork and collaboration. Now, my friend is going to continue his presentation, further presentation.
Like I said earlier, important values to the organization. This is the topic, and one more topic I'm going to cover. Coming to the important values to the organization, Amazon core values include customer obsession, ownership, long-term thinking, and frugality. The company places a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction, and its website is designed to provide a seamless customer experience, offering a wide selection of products, competitive pricing, and fast shipping. The company is committed to innovation and experimentation, which is evident in its investment in artificial intelligence and voice activated devices. Amazon has also expanded its efforts in sustainability, committing to net zero carbon emission by 2040 and investing in renewable energy and sustainable packaging. Coming to the next topic, which is a physical environment, support teamwork and collaboration. Amazon physical environment varies on location and department. The company has invested in collaborative workspace and meeting rooms to support teamwork and collaboration. The company's fulfillment centers are designated to optimize efficiency and productivity, with workers moving quickly through the facility to fulfill orders. However, some employees have reported that the company's emphasis on individual performance can create a competitive rather than collaborative environment. This can make it challenging for employees to work together and support each other. Coming to conclusion. In conclusion, I would like to conclude whole about our team perspective. Amazon's workplace culture is a combination of formal and informal elements. The company's data-driven approach to decision-making creates a structured and formal work environment. while its emphasis on innovation and experimentation creates an informal work environment. However, the company's performance-based culture can create status and power differentials and make it challenging for employees to work together as a team. That's it for the day. And after went through this subject, I really got how MNC companies are in top, like Amazon. Previously, I used to think only Jeff Bezos. Now I got to know that it's only teamwork that Amazon is number one. Now still I use Amazon. I am using Amazon Prime to order whatever needs I want it via online. Maybe it's a book, maybe it's a food or fresh vegetables, maybe it's electronic items. Because of its faster delivery, I'm getting my services very quickly only because of teamwork. That's it, guys. Over to Rehan.
Thank you very much, team. That we have all came up to a platform and discussed the organization and strategy as in a group. And I thank Christian Lombard, our instructor, our professor, for giving us such an interesting topic, so we can gain knowledge on that topic. So we have learned many things from this topic. So and after reading and making so much research on this group project, we can implement this thesis. If we can implement this practices on our daily life in the organization to make our life more easier. So this informal and formal communications and the things which happen in the daily circumstances of an organization can make our life very easy by applying this statistics. So over to you, Arvind.
I would like to thank the Professor Christian Lombard and my teammates for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak out and explain the topics. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor, for giving me this wonderful opportunities and giving wonderful team for me. And today I've learned so much about the Amazon, and my teammates have explained very well, and they did a great job. I'm very happy of giving a good experience and giving a good opportunity to me. And my teammates have done very good job. And thank you.
Thank you very much. And here we end our project. And if anyone wants to conclude regarding the organization strategy or the organization behavior about the project, you can conclude, team.
No, Rehan, that's it.
That's it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Here we end our project. Thank you.
Thank you.